Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'll be showing you real quick and easy how I'll be making this chicken vegetable stir fry that you can eat whether you're on a diet, whether you're not on a diet, whether you want something to make your dish just look vibrant and taste amazing. This is a dish that you can try for whether breakfast, lunch, or dinner, honey. All right, so right here I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I'm going to use to achieve this dish. So I have chicken breast, that's what I'm using, and I just slice this up really small, medium, kinda, sorta, yeah, really at a nice medium bite. And then I have pak choy, cabbage, carrots. I have one vegetable bouillon here. I have some flat green beans, broad beans. I have onion, I have assorted sweet pepper, and I have garlic. I also have salt, I have some olive oil, and here I have some all-purpose seasoning that I'm going to use. And I'm also going to be using a dash of sesame oil in there. So over here I have my pot already preheated. I'm going to go ahead and throw both a dash of olive oil and a dash of sesame oil in there from the start to get things going. So there we go. And first we're going to go ahead and throw in all our seasonings and our chicken. But first we're going to throw in the seasonings just to make those saute and bring up the flavor really good first. There we go. Throw in all your garlic, onion, and sweet pepper first. So that's what we're doing here, and you want to make this done on high heat, very high heat, because you want nothing to steam here. You want everything to fry. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and throw in our chicken. Remain on high heat. So our chicken is in, and you want to go fast when you're doing this. So now I'm going to go ahead and dash in my salt and all my seasonings that I'm going to put in. So dash in my salt, dash in my all-purpose, and at this point I'm also going to put my bouillon in. So you keep mixing everything as you go along because you want nothing to stop, and you have to watch that high flame. So you want to start off adding your vegetables, adding the one that is the toughest first. So we're going to go ahead and add in our carrots right now. Add in all the carrots. And keep stir frying. Don't be afraid to taste your pot as you go along to make sure you're getting all your flavors in, so you can gradually add what needs to add. I'm also going to drop a piece of thyme in there. Distribute that nicely. Alright, now we're going to add the beans and the cabbage. That looks so good. Now I'm gonna add my cabbage and my pak choy. And if you realize, each time I add something, I mix it in. Now my pak choy is the last one that's going in. And you keep that high heat going. Wow. And you just mix this until everything becomes tender and you're finished cooking. Look at that beauty. That looks really amazing. Here we have it, guys. About 10 minutes and dinner is ready. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to Mel's Kitchen, catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And you can eat this with whatever you want, whether you want a little rice, whether you want to have it as it is, because it's a complete meal by itself. Bye guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.